Course countdown chaos. New Year wishes. Here we go. Counting down with a fireworks show. 10 to 1, but wait, was it 2? Oops, we missed it. Let's start anew. Champagne spilling, hats on wrong. Who cares? We'll party all year long! Here's to laughs and cheer galore. May your year be fun and never a bore. 2. Resolution mix-up. New Year wishes. Let's make a pact. No crazy goals we can't enact. Lose weight? Now let's gain some fun. Sleep all day or take a run. Here's to forgetting the rules we made and enjoying life in every shade. So cheers to a year of doing it wrong, because life's too short not to sing your song. 3. Party perils. New Year wishes. Raise your glass. May your party outshine the past. Avoid the floor when it's covered in punch. And don't eat leftover chips for lunch. Fireworks spark, the neighbors glare. But who cares? It's a time to share. So laugh out loud and give a cheer. Here's to a wild and wacky year. 4. Social media struggles. New Year wishes, perfect and bright. Post your selfies, but edit them right. Tag your squad and caption with flair, but double check before you share. Here's to likes, follows, and no regret. And fewer typos on the internet. Laugh and scroll through the New Year's craze. 2024's out, 2025's our phase. Feigish midnight mishap. New Year wishes. The clock strikes 12. Time to toast and mischief delve. Kisses missed, confetti in hair. And someone's shoes just aren't there. Here's to midnight surprises and laughs. And avoiding embarrassing party gaffes. So ring in the year with joy and cheer. Because we'll laugh about it all next year.